Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the Snipping Tool so you can capture exactly what you need. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to start a snip instantly. This is fastest for ad hoc grabs. If you prefer the app, open Start and type Snipping Tool, then press Enter to open its window and options. Make sure to pick a mode: rectangular for precise areas, freeform for irregular shapes, window for a specific app, or full screen when you need the entire display. Once you've launched a snip, capture by dragging the cursor or clicking the target depending on mode, you'll see a brief overlay confirming the selection. After capture, make sure to use the built-in toolbar to mark up the image, pen for notes, highlighter for emphasis, and the eraser to remove mistakes. These edits help communicate intent. When your edits are done, either click Save to store a file or Copy to put the image on the clipboard for immediate. You finish by saving or sharing the snip so others can use it. Choose Save, pick PNG or JPEG for clarity, name the file, and select a folder. Alternatively, use Share to send via email or apps like Teams. If the snip doesn't appear when you press the shortcut, make sure your keyboard shortcut is enabled and not blocked by a screen lock or game. Also check Snipping Tool permissions in Settings and restart the app to resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.